Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. I'm a little under the weather. My voice is failing me as if it's insufferable enough. I am adding to your misery. But you know what? Even if I'm missing my voice, Kunuku Coffee Roaster doesn't miss a beat because it really is the best handcrafted coffee in the universe. If you don't believe me, well, there's nothing I can really do. But nevertheless, my voice is failing me, but Kunuku Coffee Roasters won't fail you with their very nice assortment of handcrafted coffee roasted every Wednesday, pick up on Saturdays. Okay? Keep that in mind. This actually is a watch that we've unboxed and reviewed before. Well, not I wasn't doing the unboxing thing back in the time, but now I have the opportunity to unbox the actual model that I wanted to have in the first place. And this is now the production piece of this watch, of this brand. This brand has been successfully been backed, and they have been delivering their watches already worldwide. Guys, we're all worldwide now, including my scruffy little boys. Anyway, I didn't remember it had this clean sleeve right here. Okay, that's gone. And there we are. Gravithin. Yes, Gravithin is back. And now I'm about to unbox the model that I really, really like. Let's see. Unless Cesar forgot to send me the right one. But I hope he did. Oh, I hope he did. Oh, yes, he did. This was the one that I was excited about back in the time. I wanted to have this bracelet. Look at that. Spring bars, quick release. Hopefully it's quick release. Oh, and also they have the bonus straps right there. There we are, bonus straps. And this is a very nice sandblasted finish. Decent strap. I'm a little averse against these suede nubuck feeling straps, but this is fine. It's a little thin though. I wish it would have been thicker, but maybe, in the future they'll be able to make thicker, better quality ones. But hey, it's very, very affordable. And let me remove these. And this is the actual watch. Look at that. It's still very nice looking after all these months. Months. I think it was like a year and a half since they sent us their production model. No, their prototype rather. This is the production model. Now, what's the difference between the two? Well, the crown is considerably bigger now, so that's why we wanted to review this. Let's see if I can have. Do we have spring bars there? Oh no, I don't have quick release spring bars. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see if I have one lying around. I am underprepared for this video, guys. Okay, I have one spring bar there. I have one spring bar here. Come on. Right there. Okay. Barely see it. Let's see. Does it fit? Yeah, it barely fits. It barely fits. Okay. Let's see if I could fit it in there. On camera, I am that brave. Okay. There we are. Wow. No tools. Just claws. Okay. Is this titanium? Is this titanium? No. I think it's stainless steel. Stainless steel. Okay. So, there you go. Should I put the other spring bar? Maybe I should. Maybe I should. Let me just put the other spring bar also. Sorry. My OCD is kicking in. Need to put that other spring bar. Other spring bar. Come on. Get in there. I think I... Yes! Okay. Let's move this around. There you go. So, that's the Gravithin It's now the one that we reviewed is the PVD coated one. This one is the production model of the stainless steel, the one that I really like. And this one has the bigger crown, and it has much better loom. Okay, let's charge that up a little bit. There you go. There. That loom is now 6 layers of loom. Hopefully you can still see it there. Yeah, it's a little better. There you go. It's a little better. 6 layers of loom, which is a clear feature of this watch. It's a very nice circular shape, barely any lugs at all, and this retro style bracelet is something that I really like. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this. I'm not gonna review this. This is the actual unboxing / mini review of this watch. If you wanted to see the actual product review that we had months ago, you could look at the link below, if I'm not too lazy to actually do that. But that's, again, the Gravithin stainless steel. Yeah, you know what? I don't know. Maybe it's still really good. Anyway, so comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe those comments I'll use in one of our shows if ever it happens. Something just happens all the time, guys. But I'm here still. Even though my voice isn't. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to cut that. I know it's called unboxing, unscripted, unfiltered, but it doesn't mean that it's not supposed to be uncut. Okay, well, no. Okay, I tried to make it as uncut as possible. Okay? But here now we installed it. It turns out they actually sent some quick release spring bars, so it was here, guys. It was here. Okay, that was my bad. Okay, let's go back to the dial. This dial, look at that. I forgot to mention, this has a meteorite dial, guys. So not only does it have these floating loom, loom markers all over the glass, but also it has a very nice meteorite coin or meteorite layer there at the very center. Really good. They managed to bring down the cost because it's a small meteorite plate, but you're still getting a meteorite plate on this watch, and you have that really compact design, really unique, a little avant-garde, a little bit minimalist. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Gravithin Focuscope. That was the Focuscope. You could look at the back. Oh, that. Let's remove the stickers from the back. There you go. All removed. Yeah. It's a solid piece. So, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And let's discuss that. Let's add your comments into one of our shows. Okay, that's it. Really.